Hello, I'm going to introduce you to this project we've been working on since the beginning of the school year. Our project consists of retrieving calculated information from a live truck and displaying it on the screen for easy viewing. We will use a Raspberry Pi 3 that will be the core of the project. It's a microcomputer to transmit the information to the display with the Wi-Fi. So, in this project, there are several parts. The first one, the handling of the Raspberry, a new module for us. We had to carry out tests or small programs to understand how it worked. Then, we had to make an electronic card because some of the values on the lift needed to be processed and modified to be able to read them on the display. Finally, we had to set up the display so that the recorded values could be read by anyone. We are working with a Raspberry. The Raspberry is the picture at right. It's a microcomputer that allows us to send a low voltage 3.3 volts or 5 volts and retrieve values to use them in the program directly on the Raspberry. We do the main test with a breadboard. It's an electronic card simulator. You can see the middle picture, which allowed us to understand and use for the first time this Raspberry. For example, we tried to control the flashing of a LED with the voltage delivered by the microcomputer. After performing this test, we decided to create a preliminary draft electronic board to start working in our project. This electronic board is visible here. Is the schematic under the KiCad software, a software specific to the creation of electronic board. It allowed us to complete our entire project. We needed this card because we had to use the little blue card that you can see on the picture. It allows us to convert voltage values so that can progress we can process them with the Raspberry. When we had finished the tests, we made a second electronic card quite similar to the first one but with some essential modification and much more professional. Finally, we have to configure the display that will make the readings and calculation made with the Raspberry readable. We have created a web page that can be accessed from any computer connected to the internet. And then the values can be found in a table like this one. To conclude, we didn't have time to test our project on the lift, but we validated every step requested and all the tests were good. This project allowed us to discover a new module, the Raspberry Pi 3, to improve our electronics skills and to develop our teamwork, which is for me very important in the way of working. Thank you for listening me. Goodbye.